Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're doing well. So you guys, for today's video, once again I'm about to share with you my new makeup finds of TJ Maxx and Marshalls. You guys, I do post these videos 2 times a week, every single week, and I drive to different locations of TJ Maxx and Marshalls every single day. That's how crazy I am. So if you like to watch these type of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and in case you enjoy watching this one, please give me a thumbs up. Now you guys, without wasting any more time, let's hop right in. You guys, they have this new palette from Stila. It calls After Hours. The packaging is exactly the same like Stila Happy Hour palette that we have found before. So that's how the shades looks like. This one is also going for $19.99. And they have this new from Laura Mercier Magic Hour Face Illuminator palette. That's how it looks like inside. Very gorgeous. This one is also going for $29.99. And I'm super excited to find Laura Mercier blush color infusion. I think we have never seen blushes from Laura Mercier. This is in the shade Grapefruit, going for $9.99. Super exciting. And also they have this new product from Smashbox. This is Halo Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Light. For the first time I see this here, going for $14.99. And one more palette from Laura Mercier. This is a Light Struck Prismatic Glow palette. That's how it looks like inside. This is also going for $29.99. Also, last time we found one single piece of this face palette from Laura Mercier. Now they have couple of more of these. This is also going for $29.99. And I find this NARS Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. That's how it looks like inside. Very beautiful. Going for $12.99 at Marshalls. Also, they have this new from NARS. This is Laguna Liquid Bronzer. This is also going for $12.99. And they have this new blush from Kevyn Aucoin. It's the Neo blush in the shade Grapevine. That's how the shade looks like. This is going for $12.99. And they have this new set from Jouer. This is Best of Nudes. So you get 8 mini size of nude lipsticks inside for $8.99. So affordable, and these shades looks beautiful. And also they have this MAC Fashion Fanatic palette. I'm not sure if I have seen this before or not. This is going for $14.99, and that's how the shades looks like. And also they have this Benefit Cake Pops liquid lipstick set. So we have found this before, but in different shades. This one is also going for $14.99. And you guys, they have couple of Bobbi Brown's products. So I found 2 different type of foundations from Bobbi Brown. Long wear weightless foundation and skin foundation in these 3 different shades. These are going for $14.99. And they have this new product from Lancome. This is Fix It Forget It 24-hour makeup setting spray with plant extracts. Sounds so good. Going for $17.99. They also have this sheer finish pressed powder from Bobbi Brown in the shade Soft Sand. And also they have this illuminating bronzing powder from Bobbi Brown in the shade Aruba. Both of these going for $14.99 each. And I find this Estee Lauder Sumptuous Rebel mini size of mascara. This is going for only $4.99. Never seen this before, but looks so cute. Also, they have a bunch of these Pretty Vulgar Night in Jail eyeshadow palettes for $9.99. And they have this new mini from Milk Makeup. This is Stardust holographic stick. Very cute, going for $4.99. And I find this Estee Lauder Double Matte Oil Control Pressed Powder in the shade 02 light medium, going for $16.99. And they have more of these Smashbox Cali Kissed Highlight and Blush Palette for $19.99. And also I find this palette from Kat Von D. This is Face and Eye Highlighter palette. These are going for only $3.99. So affordable and looks pretty good. And they have more of these Laura Mercier Hidden Gems eyeshadow palette for $29.99. And also I found this BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded 15 color shadow palette. That's how the shades looks like. Very pretty, and I love BH Cosmetics. This is going for $5.99. And they also have this Celebration foundation from IT Cosmetics. This is full coverage anti-aging foundation in the shade Light, going for $14.99. And also they have this NARS Velvet Shadow Stick going for $6.99. I think we have never seen this before. And you guys, they have two more shades for Benefit Industrial Strength Concealer Set. Number 1, number 2, and now they have number 3 as well, going for $8.99. And they have one more shade for brow raising lineup. I love this set, but I don't find my shade. Now I found the shade 3 and 2. Also they have new shade for Lime Crime lipstick. This is in the shade Riot, going for $5.99. And they also have this foundation from Stila. This is all day powder finish foundation and cream concealer. So this is a 2-in-1 product, going for $9.99. And they have more of these Laura Mercier Hidden Gems palette. These are also for $29.99. And also you guys, I found these 4 pieces of MAC single eyeshadows for $6.99. These are in the shade Best of Me. And also you guys, they have more of these Laura Lee Nudie Padudi palette. This palette is gorgeous for $16.99. And also they have that one Party Animal for only $6.99 from Laura Lee Los Angeles. Also I found this Pretty Vulgar Matte Lip Moisturizer. Never seen this before, for only $4.99. And also they have this one single piece of Smashbox Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick. I love their Always On formula. So this is for $7.99, and it was in the shade Stepping Out. Very pretty shade. And they have this new Skin Perfecting Foundation brush from Pure. Looks so good. This is going for $9.99, full size of brush. And they also have this Bare Minerals The Blender brush. This is a eyeshadow blending brush. Looks so good, for only $2.99, so affordable. And also they have this Shiseido sunscreen. This is SPF 42, going for $17.99. And they also have this Lasting Drama liquid eyeliner from brand Maybelline. Looks so good. The color is so pretty, for only $1.99. And they have the Mindful 5 Nourishing Primer Gel from Smashbox for $19.99. This is very good for dry skin. And they have this new Pixi Brow Powder Palette. This is going for only $4.99. And you guys, if you want these are set of 2 Marc Jacob lip glosses. Now they are restocking at TJ Maxx. I found a bunch of those for $9.99. Also they have a bunch of MAC lipsticks. So I found the shade 404, 646, 423, 649, 406, 408. They also have 520, 649, and 484, 405. A tons of those. These are always for $7.99 at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And they also have this time release acne cleanser from Murad. This is a full size of product for only $9.99 at Marshalls. And they have a bunch of Urban Decay velvetizers, mini size $3.99, full size $6.99. And they also have this Becca Skin Love primers for only $6.99, full size of product. And you guys, they have more of these Estee Lauder skincare set. This is so affordable here at TJ Maxx. So this set going for only $24.99. And also they have this Bare Minerals Transforming Purifying Cleanser, full size of product for only $5.99, very affordable. Also they have these very cute minis from Philosophy. These are shampoo, shower gel and bubble bath all in one product for only $1.49. I found in 2 different flavors. Also they have a bunch of OPI nail polishes sets. These are for $6.99 each, and you get 4 mini size of OPI nail polishes. I really like the quality on these nail polishes, pretty good, and for price it is very nice. And also you guys, I never knew that Coperi makes toothpaste as well. So I found these minis for $2.99 each, very cute. And also they have a bunch of Coperi deodorants in two different scents, charcoal and original, for $7.99 each. And they also have very cute mini size of these deodorants for only $2.99. And you guys, I love these soap gift sets. So it has 4 mini soap bars. This book has 4 mini soap bars for $5.99, and also this cute little one for $3.99. Also these face palettes from Josie Maran Vibrancy are marked down from $12.99 to $7. And you guys, look at these Marc Jacobs undercover primers. They have a bunch of those for $15. Before, I think it was $16.99, so you can save a little bit. And also they have this Super Goop setting mist SPF 50 for only $5.99, a small little size. And also they have these sets from Laneige. We have seen these in the past. I always get so attracted to this, but I don't know, I have never picked this up for me. I really love Laneige as a brand. So this set of 2 going for $34.99. Also they have a bunch of these Urban Decay lip plumpers. I found in the shade Spark Plus, Head Turner, and also the shade Charmer. These are for $5.99 each. And they have a bunch of CoverGirl Outlast foundation for only $2.99 in the shade Ivory. And also they have this Milani eyeliner pencil. I love their eye pencils, works pretty good, for only $1.99. And you guys, look at these. They have all of these Pure Trolls World Tour palettes for $4.99 each. So I found country western, rock, and they also have these two right here, pop and also taco, for $4.99 each. I have heard great things about these. Also they have this very pretty Skinny Dip X Barbie brush set for $9.99. So you get these 4 different brushes, very pretty pink. And they also have this BH Cosmetics Solar Flare eyeshadow palette. Looks pretty cute. This is going for only $6, marked down here. How pretty and satisfying these looks, you guys. So this is set of 4 Real Techniques sponges for $11.99. I love Real Techniques sponges, one of my very favorite. So this is pretty much it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You have wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Bye bye.